the previous tutorial we talked about the linear pattern, and there is a different type also called the circular pattern, where you are able to make the pattern on a circular shape. So here we have the origin. It will be the center of the circular pattern. Let's try to make a circle here, and let's make some instances in a circle around that origin. Let's activate the circular pattern. Now you have that circular pattern around. Here we have the point 1, which is the origin, and the number of instances can change it here, either to use equal spacing or not. And you can also make pattern around 270-degree angle or less. And okay, if you want to make a circle pattern not on that center point, just make another circle pattern, and let's change the direction, the place of that center circle. Here you have the coordinates of the new circular pattern circle. Now let's make instances 10. They are done. Okay,